Hello guys, I'm Shrest and welcome to the fourth part of the Java programming tutorial. So now I can officially say that we will begin our programming from here. So in the previous video I showed you how to install Eclipse IDE, and in this video we are going to write our first code in this. So in the previous video I gave a glimpse of how to run code and stuff, but let's do it from the scratch. And okay, I think my cursor is not visible, so let me fix it first. And now I think I am good to go. Yes. So let's do it. So right click on your source file and new, select class and name it. Now remember, in the previous tutorial I have copied the code, but okay, let's name it first. Let's name it 1. Hello in YouTube. Now remember that the class name should be the same as we have named one. So in the previous code I copied the code with the same class name. So if your code was not working there, make sure that you have the same name as of the file here. So let's leave it. We don't need this anymore. And let's begin our first code. So everything in Java needs class to run. Even I don't know why we need this, but okay, I will tell you later on. But Java is not Java without the class, or you can say without class we cannot do anything in Java. So we have our class here and its name. Now between the two curly braces here we need to write our method. So what is method? So okay, follow me here. Like I'm not getting into concept in this video here, and just follow. Like to make a method we will need to type, and let's take bake cake. So what you are seeing here is our method, and this particular thing is called method header. So what we can say is method is like a recipe. Like in this we will tell what we want to do, what we want this particular method to do. And so this is our method, and now I will make braces. And now to make a cake we need to first mix batter. Then what we need to do, put it in the oven. Oopsie. And last, eat it. So as you can see, we have defined a step like what to do. So similarly in our Java we need to make a method in which we give instruction what we want this particular method to do. So taking the analogy here, Now, one more thing I want to tell you that in Java we have a specified set or rule, you can say, that we need a main method always here. So when we run our program, the system finds the main method and execute it first. So if we don't have our main method, the system will not understand what we want to do here and where to begin with. So now follow, these are some keywords which I am going to type, and they are necessary, and I will not be explaining them in this video as they will take a whole tutorial for each keyword. So just follow me here. So public, static, main, and then give parentheses and braces, and in this braces we are going to type. So now this is our main method, and this particular thing, that main thing, this is our method, or you can say method header. And this thing in the purple color you see here are keywords which I am going to explain you later. And we can do it whatever, like you can keep braces here on the next line, the computer doesn't mind the spaces actually here. So now, like to make cake we need an instruction like mix the batter and stuff. So we are going to tell our computer here like what we want this method to do. So we are going to write, okay, sorry, I made a thing like this part is also necessary. In the parentheses we are going to write string args, and then square brackets which should be next to your P keys. Okay, and again I'm going to explain this thing in the upcoming tutorials, so just bear it for now. So now we are going to tell this method like what to do. So capital S, system dot out dot println, and parenthesis, and let's end it with semicolon, which should be next to your L in your keyboard. And now in the parenthesis we can do whatever we want. So give quotation marks, and let's say hello YouTube. So now as you can see, this thing print ln here is basically saying that print whatever is in these parentheses. And now you must be wondering like what are these things out here. So let me show you like how this thing works. Now to run this code here, simply press run, and okay, let me adjust the screen a bit. I think now it's okay, and okay. And now as you can see we are getting our code. Hello YouTube. So basically this print line method is telling the system to print whatever written in the parentheses. So now you must be wondering then what are these stuff out there. So the print line function is a versatile feature which can print to anything. It can print into the databases or web pages and stuff. So we are basically telling it that in our system print an output and then the function itself and whatever written in the brackets. So I know this wasn't much, but this is officially the beginning of our programming part, and in the upcoming tutorials I am going to tell you about all these keywords and stuff. So just bear with it and see you guys in the next tutorial.